Today, we're looking at the best Beam Wallet alternative app for anyone who wants fast, secure, and reliable online payments without complications. If you've used Beam Wallet before, you already know the appeal: simple transfers, instant access to funds, and a clean interface. But if you need something more stable, more globally accessible, and packed with better financial tools, the app that stands out right now is Revolut. Revolut provides a smooth onboarding process, allowing users to create an account and set up a virtual card within minutes. One of the strongest reasons it becomes a practical Beam Wallet replacement is its flexibility. Users can send and receive money instantly, make international payments, and hold multiple currencies, all in one place. The fees for global transfers remain extremely low compared to traditional banks, and domestic transfers usually process instantly. It also comes with features that Beam Wallet users often wish existed. You get spending analytics, budgeting tools, and the ability to freeze or unfreeze your card with one tap. The app supports virtual cards for safer online purchases and dynamic security that helps protect every transaction. Whether you're shopping online, paying friends back, or handling small business transactions, Revolut stays efficient and consistent. Revolut also makes cash access smooth. You can withdraw money from ATMs worldwide, depending on your plan, with clear limits shown up front. You get full control over your account, from setting spending limits to managing recurring payments. And for users working across borders or receiving payments in dollars, the platform handles conversions at competitive rates, keeping your costs low. If your priority is reliability, speed, and financial tools that go far beyond simple transfers, Revolut delivers everything Beam Wallet offered and adds more power on top of it. It's a strong, modern alternative suited for day-to-day payments or full personal money management.